findall/finditer on a stream? Is there a way to get the re.findall, or better yet, re.finditer functionality applied to a stream, i.e. in file handle open for reading? Note that I am not assuming that the pattern to be matched is fully contained within one line of input, i.e. multi-line patterns are permitted. Nor am I assuming a maximum match length. It is true that, at this level of generality, it is possible to specify a regex that would require that the regex engine have access to the entire string, for example our $sm. And, of course, this means having to read the entire file into memory, but I am not concerned with this worst case scenario at the moment. It is, after all, perfectly possible to write multi-line matching regular expressions that would not require reading the entire file into memory. Is it possible to access the underlying automaton, or whatever is used internally, from a compiled regex, to feed it a stream of characters? Thanks. Edit. Added clarifications regarding multi-line patterns and match lengths, in response to Tim Pietzker's and RPLNT's answers.
This is possible if you know that a regex match will never span a new line. Then you can simply do. If matches can extend over multiple lines, you need to read the entire file into memory. Otherwise, how would you know if your match was done already, or if some content further up ahead would make a match impossible, or if a match is only unsuccessful because the file hasn't been read far enough? Edit. Theoretically, it is possible to do this. The regex engine would have to check whether at any point during the match attempt it reaches the end of the currently read portion of the stream, and if it does, read on ahead, possibly until EOF. But the Python engine doesn't do this. Edit 2. I've taken a look at the Python slibs re.py and its related modules. The actual generation of a regex object, including its .match method and others, is done in a C extension. So you can't access and monkey patch it to also handle streams, unless you edit the C sources directly and build your own Python version.
It would be possible to implement on regex with known maximum length. Either no +/ or ones where you know maximum numbers of repetition. If you know this, you can read file by chunks and match on these, yielding the result. You would also run the regex on overlapping chunk, then would cover the case when the regex would match but was stopped by the end of a string. Some pseudo-Python code. Just an idea, but I hope you get what I'm trying to achieve. You'd need to consider that file stream could end in some other cases. But I think it can be done, if the length of the regular expression is limited known.